Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Before I show you the Friday freebie, let me show you, I've got some birthday happy mail that I have received. So let me show them first. Right, so the first one is from my crafty sister, big sister, Woolly Steph. And I will put Steph's channel link down below. So please go and subscribe because Steph is extremely talented. So that's the card, and it's wrapped because me and Steph have tons of things in common, and she loves butterflies just like I do. So we got this gorgeous handmade envelope with the butterflies, and that's the card, and there is a lovely message inside. And what Steph has gifted me as well, it's these. So it's a really gorgeous square picture frame, and it's very similar, it's the same style, so I guess it's like a collection, and it's gorgeous because I don't know if you can see the paint, and then there's some metallic finishing because I can see the metallic texture. So love it. Thank you, Steph. That will go straight on my desk. And also, well, one is nearly gone, it's up here. One of these gorgeous, and I've never seen this before. They're called Tony's Chocolonelli. I love that. And Tony's is like me. So I need to have a little piece. So this one is hazelnut. It's my favorite flavor. Sorry, I know it's rude, but stop the video, go and get yourself some chocolate because life is too short. And then this one is caramel sea salt. I left that straight after that. So thank you, Steph. Honestly, you are a kind, thoughtful, generous person. And then the second happy mail is from the lovely Anne. Anne hasn't got a YouTube channel, but she's active on Instagram, and I will put Anne's Instagram listed down below. So it's a gorgeous square card with hand doodle. Love this. And then we got the same theme across all the presents. So I love this handmade box. It's gorgeous. What's the flowers? Oh, it's on the tip of my tongue. Forgot. But inside there are two key rings, one from A, one for J. When you put it together, it's a heart. I think it's raisin. Yeah, it's raisin gold. How gorgeous is that? Sorry, I'm sucking my chocolate. Thank you so much, Anne. And also, I saved the charms. Look at the charm, so cute. And also she sent me, which I needed it, is this. This is like a glue bottle stopper, but also can be used. I use it's from Stampin' Up. What's it called? Pick and tool. So I will be using this instead going forward. I love the stones. And then on here, dangly, there is a fairy, because Steph Anne knows I love fairies. Look at that. There's a little fairy there. So bring some magic. So thank you so much, Anne. And I've got a birthday mail on your way to you as well. I'm gonna go to the post office. So I hope I give you some ideas with that. Right, I think I'll nearly finish my chocolate. So today, the freebie is this one. Like normally, guys, I'll give to you background. So to do something a bit different, I thought I'll share with you guys some little stamps. So there's a collection of birds, and those one for another collection, but put it all together. So if you guys follow me for a while, you know I am obsessed with making photo stamps. So I've done a couple of videos, I guess. I think it's like 2 videos, years and years and years ago. So if you want me to, we can make some, could do a video Monday yeah, I think I'm gonna do it when we showcase how to make 4 stamps out of these, just using some the scallop scissors that will create, you know, like the traditional stamp texture. They're like, so yeah, so I'm gonna do that. Right, so as you guys know, on Friday 9 p.m. I send out a newsletter, sometimes twice a week, sometimes once a week, with a recap of the videos of the week. There is always a cheeky discount code. I will put here on your left hand side so you guys can see on the screen what it looks like. And I know lots of you are loving the newsletter, and I'll put a lovely comment on the screen now. I really appreciate every comment that you guys leave on my videos, and I take any feedback on board, good or bad, absolutely. So yeah, so the newsletter has got discount codes, there's some papers showcasing videos, etc, etc, so really well worth it. And also I have on my YouTube, on my Facebook group either I have all my catalogue of freebies, about 300 freebies that I have shared in the last few years. So I will show you just a second where. Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group. So once you're in, you scroll down, so you see all the posts from the lovely crafters. So this is post from Wendy that made a folio using some of my papers. That's my post about the Easter kit. Again, there's loads and loads and loads of creators that, oh, this is Julia, that she recently joined my VIP membership. Thank you, Julia. Again, all other crafters, they share the video tutorials and of course all my freebie. Okay, so it's a very interactive platform. I really recommend, if you guys are on Facebook, to join us, because you get tons and tons of ideas. So where do you find your my freebie? So if you click on files there, you see all the freebies that I have shared in date order. Okay, so from the most recent to the most old ones, and there is about 3 years worth of freebies. So come and join us there, and what you do is simply click in there and then download. Okay, guys, that's it. Don't forget that throughout April I got a fabulous gift for you. The code to have 30%, absolutely everything, is BDay30. Okay, this code is valid all month from the 1st of April to the 31st of April, and that give a 30% off absolutely everything. Happy crafting and happy shopping. Okay, so this is my website. Don't forget that you can use the 30% code across my fine art pieces. So my fine art pieces gets shipped to you. They are printed. Those two are A5 in a watercolor paper, and this is on an A4 watercolor paper. They get print out and shipped to your home address, free delivery. Okay, so you will have 30% discount on those as well. You also get 30% discount on my ebook. Is called The Artful Chaos or Imagined Memories, a guide to beautiful junk journals, and of course my book Blattified junk journals workshop, that you get the papers and the video tutorials, and of course all my digital papers are 30% off using the code. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a really big huge thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube. Just a reminder guys, that on April, throughout the full month, from the 1st of April to the 31st or 30th, I think it's 30th, I have a sale on my website, because April is the month of my birthday, it's the month of my channel's birthday, and also it's the month of my business birthday. So I've got 3 big birthdays throughout the full month. So it's a way for me to say thank you to every single one of you. So yeah, just go to my website and have a look and treat yourself. I will put another video here on the screen guys, so if you wish to carry on watching for more ideas and inspiration, please feel free to do so, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.